Last Thursday night, I uploaded a video I never appeared in. No face, no mic. I didn't even record my own voice. And by Sunday morning, that video had already made $47 in AdSense plus a $65 affiliate click. That's one video, 4 days. And I made it start to finish in about 2 hours using a free tool most people are sleeping on. Okay, real quick, I'm Alex. This channel is about one thing, AI tools that actually make money. Not theory, not hype. Real results. I've tested myself here in Atlanta. Quick background, I used to work logistics, $38,000 a year, waking up at 5 a.m. to track shipments I didn't care about. Started messing with AI tools late at night after work. 6 months later, I quit. That's the whole story. So when I show you something on this channel, it's because I've already run it myself, and I know what happens. All right, so here's what was bothering me. I wanted to start a second YouTube channel, a faceless one, you know, the kind where it's just narration over visuals, finance, history, self-improvement, that kind of thing. The problem, I didn't want my actual voice on it, and I'm not even being weird about it. It's a ring, it's a radigi, and saune crits, it's nadigis, des nas ju ensenin. Gelen jundi, just desulaz zat. Shede, yes, and starts you. If you've got one channel with your face on it, a second anonymous channel keeps those audiences totally separate. Different niche, different vibe, no overlap. So I started looking into AI voiceovers. And honestly, most of the stuff I found was trash. You know that robot voice that sounds like it's reading a tax form? Yeah, that voice. Nobody's watching 8 minutes of that. I tried 2 or 3 free tools. One sounded like a GPS. One had this weird breathy pause every few words. And I was like, wait, is it having a stroke? Real talk, some of this stuff is not ready. Then someone in my comment section, shout out to whoever that was, mentioned ElevenLabs dedelu wesing. Vans destinance and eljimar in dadan dolives is incest. You know you are you. I deste is that you already heard your word or it's heard of it before, but I always assumed it was paid, like actually paid. I figured the free version was probably some 5-second demo with a watermark and a pop-up asking for your credit card. So I ignored it for about 2 months. Then one Tuesday, I was sitting in my apartment in Atlanta. It was like 10 p.m., nothing on TV. And I just thought, let me actually go check this thing, like actually log in and see what the free plan gets you. And I was genuinely surprised, like stopped scrolling, sat up straight, surprised. Okay. So ElevenLabs, let me tell you what this actually is. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator. You type text in, it reads it back in a voice that sounds like a real human being. Not a robot, not a GPS, a person. The free plan, and I'm going to be specific here, gives you 10,000 characters per month. That's roughly 7 to 10 minutes of audio, depending on how fast the voice reads. For a faceless YouTube video, that is enough, especially when you're starting out and keeping your videos in that 6 to 8 minute range. Now, what makes ElevenLabs different from the garbage I tried before? 3 things. 1, the voices sound real, like uncomfortable levels of real. There's emotion, there's pacing, there's a natural rhythm. You can pick from dozens of voices, different accents, different ages, male and female. Some of them sound American, some British, some are more neutral. You're going to find one that fits your channel. 2, you can control the delivery. Want it to sound more serious, more conversational? You can adjust the stability and clarity settings, and it changes how the voice performs. It's not just one flat tone. 3, it's free. No credit card for the basic plan. You go to ElevenLabs.io, you make an account with your email, and you're in. Done. Now, the free plan does have limits, and I'll be honest about those. But for a first channel, for testing the concept, you don't need to pay anything to see if this works. Okay, here's exactly how I run this workflow, step by step. Step 1, pick your niche. I went with personal finance tips, low competition in the faceless format, high CPM for ads, and easy to find affiliate products. You could do history, mindset, productivity, true crime. Honestly, the format works for almost anything. Step 2, write the script with ChatGPT. I literally type, write me a 700-word YouTube script about the 3 biggest money mistakes people in their 20s make. conversational tone. No fluff. Takes about 45 seconds. I clean it up a little, make it sound more natural, and I'm done. Whole script in maybe 15 minutes. Natine. Step 3. Paste it into ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Log in. Hit the text-to-speech section. Paste your script. Choose your voice. I use one called Adam a lot, but browse around and find one you like. Hit generate. It spits out an MP3 file. Step 4. Get your visuals. I use a mix of free stock footage from Pexels and AI-generated images from tools like Leonardo AI, which also has a free plan. For finance content, I grab footage of people working, cash, charts, stuff that feels relevant but generic enough to fit any script. Step 5. Edit in CapCut. CapCut is free. It's on desktop and mobile, and it's stupid easy. Drop in your MP3, drop in your visuals, sync them up, add captions, which, by the way, CapCut does automatically, and export. Done. That whole process, my first time doing it, about 2.5 hours. Now I can do it in about 90 minutes. The video goes up. I monetize through AdSense once the channel qualifies. And before that, through affiliate links in the description. When someone clicks my link and buys something, money hits my PayPal or Cash App. Simple as that. Okay, so let me actually show you what happened. My first 3 videos on this channel made basically nothing. I'm not going to lie to you. First video got 34 views. Second got 61. I was about to chalk this up as another thing that sounded good in theory. But here's what I did differently on the 4th video. I went back and looked at what people were actually searching, not what I thought they wanted. What they were typing into YouTube. I used TubeBuddy, free version, and found a personal finance question that had decent search volume and almost no good answers. I made that video. Exact question as the title. That one hit 1,200 views in the first 2 weeks. And once YouTube starts pushing a video, the others get picked up too. It pulled my second and third video to a few hundred views each. By the end of month 2, I'd made $94 from AdSense. Small, I know. But this channel wasn't monetized yet. The real money in those early months was affiliate. I had linked a budgeting app in every video description. 2 people signed up for the paid version. That was $110 in commissions, straight to my PayPal. Month 3, I hit the 1,000 subscriber threshold. Applied for monetization, got approved. Month 4, I cleared $500 combined. AdSense plus affiliate. I've got the screenshots right here on screen. And I want to be clear. I did not touch a camera once. I didn't record my voice once. The channel doesn't know who I am. It's just a voice and some stock footage and a decent script. ElevenLabs handled the rest. The moment it really clicked for me was when I got a $65 affiliate payment on a Saturday morning. I was eating breakfast. I hadn't done any work in 2 days. My mom, she's from Kenya. She always said money while you sleep is the only real money. And I finally understood what she meant. Anzi. I did wrong, and I see beginners do this constantly. I spent the first month trying to make the videos perfect. I'm talking regenerating the voiceover 4 or 5 times because I didn't like the pacing on one sentence. Spending 2 hours on thumbnail design, agonizing over the intro, watching it back like 20 times. No cap, I published 3 videos in 4 weeks. 3. That's not a channel, that's a hobby. The algorithm needs content to test. YouTube literally cannot push your videos to more people if you only have 3. It has nothing to work with. Here's the fix. Done beats perfect, especially when you're brand new. A video that's 80% good and posted is worth 10 times more than a video that's 100% perfect and sitting in your drafts. My 4th video, the one that finally got traction, I made it in one sitting, didn't overthink it, uploaded it the same night. That's the one that worked. Also, one more thing, don't skip writing a real script. I see people who try to paste raw information into ElevenLabs and just let it read. Even the best AI voice sounds flat if the words themselves are boring. The script is everything. Spend your time there. Let me be straight with you because I hate when people just throw big numbers out with no context. Realistically, in your first 60 to 90 days, you're probably not making anything from AdSense yet because you haven't hit monetization. But affiliate income, that can start on day one if you pick the right niche and the right products. Once you're monetized, a channel getting 10,000 views a month in a decent niche is making somewhere between $50 and $150 in AdSense. Add affiliate, and that could be $200 to $400 a month. Now, if you scale multiple channels, better SEO, higher CPM niches like finance or software, people are pulling $1,500 to $3,000 a month. That's not me making that up. I've seen it in creator communities I'm actually in. But start with one channel, get it to $500 a month. Then think about scaling. ElevenLabs free gets you started. Upgrade to paid when the income justifies it. That's how it should work. Listen, if this video helped you, subscribe. Genuinely. Because next week I'm dropping a video on the exact 5 affiliate programs that pay the most per click for Faceless YouTube channels. I've tested them all. I'll show you the actual commission rates and how long it takes to get paid. That one's going to be good. Drop a comment below. Tell me what niche you're thinking about for your Faceless channel. I read every single one, and I'll tell you honestly if I think it'll work. Hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.